All right, look what we got here. Today I received my open ear bone conducting headphones. So now I will open them and try them and let you know. Here's the box. Comes with a little clear cover. And let's put them on. All right, I put them on, tested them. Everything was good. I will use these for a week and then I will post. Let you know how things turn out.
This is what you get in the box. Accessories include earplugs, 2 charging cables, and the headphones themselves. They are very comfortable. I was very pleasantly surprised with the quality of the sound, and overall I'm very pleased with the product itself. So I would encourage you to buy it.